What's this term life insurance people talk about? And really, what's the difference? So I could talk about this forever. I'm keeping this short. You can go to our blog at bowiecanhelp.com for more information about insurance stuff. So here we go. I want to talk to you about temporary insurance. We're talking about a 20-year term. 20-year terms are meant to cover temporary needs, things like mortgages, debt, car loans, income replacement, because you're the asset. Um, so average person in Ottawa region, they're getting $500,000 worth of coverage because homes are kind of expensive. And that's really decent. Average family is two kids, so that's in the event that you're the only parent, 250,000 per child. And I really preach affordability as one of the main things here because people say, well, I need $3 million worth of life insurance. Of course you do, but can you afford it? If not, there's no point. So here's the layout. You're 37 years old, you're female, you get $500,000 worth of term insurance for the next 20 years. It's costing you $30 a month. Okay, $30 a month, never goes up. That's it. You're a 37-year-old male getting the same coverage, 500,000 for 20 years. You're $38 a month. Uh, Sorry, men, you're just, I guess, more of a risk. I don't know. So then the question is, how do we figure out how much to get? You're saying 500,000, Sarah, but in reality, okay, what you want to do is figure out how much are my final expenses, how much debt do I have, and how much income do I need to replace? And the reality in our household is about 5 years of income to be replaced because people die. I'm just a realist. My best friend died at 35 unexpectedly, and another good friend died in his late 20s unexpectedly. Like it just happens. Okay, there's no right time to die. We don't know when it's going to happen. But life goes on, as we know. So 5 years worth of income replacement is good enough for our family because we'd have to just plug on. And we could afford that. We could afford as a family to spend combined, $70 a month on coverage. So that's a good way to look at it is how much do you want to replace and be realistic about it. Um, do you have mortgage insurance from the bank? Yeah, so that's very possible, and it's not really itemized in your payment. Like it's just one payment. So what you want to do is call the mortgage company and ask, hey, am I paying for mortgage life insurance? And if so, we could potentially just replace that. It's significantly expensive if you're under 45 to have mortgage life insurance from the bank, like creditor protection insurance. So we could replace that for less in most cases. So that might be a good way if you say, oh, Sarah, you know what? It's COVID. I don't have a budget for this. No problem. Let's find the money there first, and then we can just replace that for you with proper coverage. And if you want to learn more about the difference, we do have a blog about that at bowiecanhelp.com. So why am I talking to you about this today? Canada Life is offering 4 months free. If you go with Canada Life, they will cover 4 months of payments for you. So we have to do that in November 2020, but it's super easy. So you're like, it's November now. How quick is this, Sarah? As long as your application is in by December 1st, you're good to go. When you apply, you can get coverage right away. So it's just a temporary coverage. It takes about a month to actually issue the policy, like the true policy. Um, if you're young and you're not getting beaucoup bucks of insurance, you probably are not going to have a medical that you have to do. And the other bonus is that everything's online. So you don't have to see me in person. You don't have to see Bill or Chris. It's all online. So we might talk over the phone. We might email back and forth. But that's it. We make it really simple. The policy is even delivered to you online. So super great. Um, so how do you get started? I want to get started now. I'm convinced I need life insurance because you know what? I might die. Yeah, like all of us. Okay. Email me, sarah@bowiecanhelp.com. You can email me and then I can send you what you need to get started. The other option here is you can fill out this form and then that comes to me and then we go from there. So either way, again, you can email me at sarah@bowiecanhelp.com or fill in this form and we'll get it started. We'll get it in by December 1st. If you're going to go with Canada Life, get you that 4 months free. So thanks so much. Happy living, everybody.